Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make another recipe of no glue hand sanitizer slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad from my last video is... Also, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas, so let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys once again how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. You guys seem to love these type of videos, like the one I posted a few weeks ago, you guys seem to really like. And of course, my viral one from about, I'd say 4 years ago, you guys seem to love that video as well. So I thought I'd show you guys a little bit of a newer recipe that makes the no glue hand sanitizer slime way thicker and just a better recipe for it. Okay guys, so the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is of course hand sanitizer, and I'm using the salted coconut water one. You guys don't need any type of thick shampoo. I'm using this thickening shampoo. You guys will also need a boiler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Also, again, I'm so sorry if you guys hear any noises or anything. It's Christmas time, and I'm trying to upload a video, but at the same time, my house is so loud. So I'm first going to get my thickening shampoo, and I'm going to add it to my bowl. And this is super, super clear, which is what I want. So that looks like just enough. And now I'm going to add a little bit of the hand sanitizer. This is like an activator. That looks like enough. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this up. Okay, that looks like enough mixing. It's a little watery, but I know when you make hand sanitizer slime, it gets a little bit of watery, which is fine. So now I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take it out and mix it up. So I'll see you guys in about Okay guys, so it's been about 3 hours, I'd like to say. My setup is a little bit messy again, I'm sorry about that. But here it is, and I don't know how to feel about this. The color changed a lot from mixing. It's really foggy, like a foggy clear color. And I just don't know how to feel, but let's check it out. Wow, it's like a really, really nice putty texture. I just do not like this color at all. The color is really, really gross to me. So I think I'm actually going to add a dot of food coloring, which I'll do that right now. Let me add a dot of purple food coloring here just because I do not like this color at all. I feel like it's a gross, foggy color. And, yeah, let's check this out. I'm going to mix this up now. Alright, the color's a bit better. Still, it's a bit sticky, as you can tell, but I think it turned out really well. Of course, the food coloring helped a lot. I kind of wish I added food coloring beforehand. It would be way more clear. But this recipe turned out amazing. Yeah, but the slime's a lot better with the food coloring again, and it's more of a putty texture, still a little bit of stickiness. And yeah, also my nails are super long. They're from Glamour Made, which sponsored me from my last few videos ago, but check them out if you want nails like these. Yeah, but the slime's actually really nice. A putty texture, a bit sticky, but it turned out amazing for a hand sanitizer slime. And I think it was the shampoo that made this super, super thick, which is, it's actually made for like if you have blonde hair like me. It's like a thickening shampoo that thickens up your hair, but it thickens up slime too, as you guys can see. Well, no glue slime. Yeah. Also, throughout the like 30 increments of like 2 to 3 hours, I actually added a little bit more of the shampoo, and I just mixed it a lot, so maybe that's why it was a bit of a foggy color. But this recipe was a win-win for me, and it turned out amazing. But thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. It is Christmas this Saturday, and of course I will be doing my annual What I Got for Christmas haul, which I've been doing for the past 5 or so years now. But yeah, if this recipe turned out good for you, please put it in the comments down below. And if it didn't turn out well, I will comment back to you and give you some helpful ways to make the slime turn out better. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Remember to check out my Etsy. Everything is 50% off till January. So remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!